Hello everyone. Today is December 17th, and I am here in Myeongdong, the most famous tourist spot in Korea among foreigners. Myeongdong is a representative commercial district located in Jeonggu, Seoul, South Korea. It is known as the hub of shopping and culture in Korea and is a popular destination for many tourists. Myeongdong is loved by many for its unique atmosphere and diverse charms. Firstly, Myeongdong is famous for its various shopping spots. It offers a wide range of shopping facilities, including department stores, traditional markets, and renowned brand stores, making it an ideal place for shopping enthusiasts. The large department stores in Myeongdong are well known for offering the latest fashion, cosmetics, electronics, and various other products. Additionally, the traditional markets in Myeongdong, such as Namdaemun Market and Myeongdong Central Market, are famous for providing traditional Korean goods at affordable prices. Here, you can purchase hanbok, Korean traditional clothing, traditional Korean decorative items, herbal medicine ingredients, and experience traditional Korean culture. Secondly, Myeongdong is renowned for its diverse food options and restaurants. Visitors can indulge in a wide variety of cuisines, ranging from traditional Korean dishes to global cuisine. Myeongdong streets are lined with numerous food stalls and vendors, offering a plethora of Korean street food such as tteokbokki, spicy rice cakes, noodles, and snacks. Moreover, there are many restaurants where you can enjoy various international cuisines, attracting food lovers from all over the world. Thirdly, Myeongdong is famous for its cultural and artistic venues. It is home to theaters, cinemas, and concert halls, making it an ideal place for those who enjoy culture and the arts. Myeongdong Theater presents various plays and musical performances, while Myeongdong CGV offers the latest movies. Additionally, at Myeongdong Blue Square, visitors can enjoy diverse music performances, and at Myeongdong Art Theater, they can experience traditional Korean arts. Lastly, Myeongdong is renowned for its rich history and tourist attractions. It is home to Deoksugung Palace, one of Korea's representative cultural heritages, where visitors can admire traditional Korean architecture and gardens. Moreover, Myeongdong is known for its various museums and memorials, providing opportunities to learn about Korean history and culture. It is also located close to Gwanghwamun Square, one of Korea's representative squares, which visitors can easily visit. In conclusion, Myeongdong offers a wide range of attractions, including shopping, food, culture, and history. Many people visit Myeongdong to experience and enjoy the diverse charms of Korea. If you have the chance to visit Korea in the future, I highly recommend visiting Myeongdong. Please enjoy the video, and if you liked it, please subscribe.